Well, good morning. Welcome to this week's edition of the Ag Market Network Weekly Market Report, brought to you by FiberMax and Stoneville Seed. I'm Pat McClatchy, and we are going to look right now at our export report. It's just come out. We haven't even looked at it yet. Cotton, 92,200 running bales. Of that, China was number one taker at 24,500 running bales. Vietnam took 23,500 running bales. Indonesia took 15,600 running bales. And as we look down the page, we have light cancellations from India. The actual shipments of 177,300. So what we're looking at here, cotton was up 20 before the report. Right now, cotton is up about 3 to 4. Now we go to soybeans. We have net sales of 600 metric tons, down 100% from the previous week and the prior week 4-week average. Indonesia took 140,800 metric tons. Spain took 70,500 metric tons. We've got also Pakistan taking 69,400 metric tons. And then obviously we're going to have some cancellations here. Cancellations of 354,400 metric tons from unknown destinations. We do have a new crop sale of 672,600. That's for 2018-19. Now the soybean market was down 2 before the report, and right now soybeans are down 2 1/4. Corn, net sales of 30,100 metric tons, very light. Marketing year low, down 90% from the 4-week average. Mexico taking 133,400 metric tons. Saudi Arabia taking 70,100 metric tons. South Korea taking 64,700 metric tons. Corn was down 1 3/4 before the report. Right now it's down 1.5 pennies. Net sales in wheat, 379,800 metric tons, down 8% from the previous week and 14% under the 4-week average. South Korea took 124,000 metric tons. Philippines took 115,800 metric tons. Mexico took 78,400 metric tons. Wheat was down 4 before the report. It's lost ground. It's down about 5 now. All right, let's look here quickly at what's recently happened. We have been sideways in cotton here in the last week or two. Same news we've been looking at is affecting the market. Expect the market to stay in a range between 80 cents and 85 cents unless some new surprising news comes along, which could definitely happen. Crop report comes out next week, and at some point you're going to settle the China trade sanctions, and when that does, well, you know, we'll have an explosion in prices. We just don't know when that'll be. Okay, soybeans, corn, and wheat. November soybeans are sideways, trading here recently between 8.51 as a high and 8.28 as a low. It does have a negative feel to it, reacting just like corn is to a crop that seems to be getting bigger. December corn has been sideways, trading between 370 and 355, but also a downward bias. December wheat's been in a downtrend. It's been over the last week, it's traded from 550 to 509. Last trade right now is 509 1/4, so it's right on the lows. So that's really it. That's kind of the general outlook for these markets. One last look at the markets. We've got cotton down 3, soybeans down 2. We've got corn down 1.5, and wheat down 4 1/4. There's no real change in grains. Cotton was up 20, and now it's back to where it's down about 3 or 4. So it is reacting in a negative way. But listen, it was bobbing up and down all night just like this. So there's not really, I wouldn't read too much into that. So that's it. Thanks for being with us for this edition of our weekly market report brought to you by FiberMax and Stoneville Seed. We hope you have a good day, and we'll talk to you later.